Hey, so quick update on this freaking quick brake change I was doing yesterday. So currently I'm replacing this freaking caliper. It's garbage. Piston was seizing up, so I had to take that off. And now I bought a brand new one here. So I gotta take that. I was trying to get just the caliper, but I had to get one with the caliper and the bracket. So to get my deposit back for the core, I gotta take this off, which these freaking are seized up here too. I just can't get it off. Freaking just snapped. First I tried using this, and wasn't working out, so I figured I'd get a longer one. And I just snapped the adapter. Well, freaking, I know I'm a big dude, but shit. So this is turning out to be a little more expensive than I planned. Did get the new tires. Was supposed to go to the tire installation place and have them do my alignment too, but my brakes were still messed up, so I couldn't do that. So I brought the rims to the tire dealership or tire place and had them put them on the rims. So got the tires on there, pretty good. So this brake, not really any issues. Got those on, no problem. It's just this sucker. So yeah, that is what is happening. So still under $1,000 and doing pretty good. Next I got to put this, whenever I get this thing unseized, I've got to put the new caliper and bracket on and bleed the system. So that's gonna be fun. Got this little handy dandy by yourself one man freaking bleeder kit. So gonna have my wife help me at the end after I get the most of the gunk crap out of the system. So yeah, stay tuned.